Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my Anastasia Norvina Takeover Premium Boxycharm. My box looked like this because I just tried all these products and it is following what I'm going to share with you, what I received. So it's an extra long video and I do apologize. It's probably about an hour, if not over that. But I did add like a full phase and all that stuff that, you may be interested in seeing how I get my full face application done. But right now we're going to go ahead and just share with you what I received in my box, and then you'll see after I share with you my try on with it. So let's go ahead with what I received. I received the Norvina Volume 1 palette. And like I said, I was hoping for this palette because I already have the orange one. This quality of this palette is pretty good. It's really good. I've always wanted the purple, never purchased it. But I ended up purchasing the orange palette because it was a different color scheme. But I was glad to receive this in this takeover box. Now this box I believe was $35. And this was actually well worth more than $35. This box is like the bomb for $35. I'm sorry. But it says this palette is carefully curated by Norvina herself. And I believe that's Anastasia's daughter, I think. The Anastasia Beverly Norvina Pro Pigment Palette, Volume 1, is a professional grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe sized high performance shades with maximum payoff. And I saw that this retails for $60 because when I was applying this yellow, it was more pigmented and like a powdery type, like an actual pigment when I was applying it. And it took me a while to get the look I wanted because I'm not used to press powders like this one in this palette. But it did perform beautifully. Once you start applying it, you can kind of see it coming together. Once you just kind of like just wing it, just wing it, and it'll come together eventually because I love the look that I came up with this palette. So the next item in my box is the hydrating oil. Now this oil, I like this oil. I really like this oil. I love the feel of it. I don't know if it's my allergies, but it was kind of like on the strong side, like more of a lavendery scent. That's what I got out of it. But it was like really strong. But the formula, I love the feel of it because it wasn't like this runny, oily type where, you can put some oils on your skin and it feels hot. And like your skin and your pores are kind of like being closed in. I didn't get that with this oil. And this oil retails for $45. And it says that this hydrating oil by Anastasia Beverly is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extracts that deliver antioxidants and nourishes hydration to the skin. I did feel that it was really light and it was really nourishing and hydrating to my skin. This complexion boosting facial oil leaves you with glowing, radiant skin, softens fine lines, and improved tone and texture. I like this oil. I'm definitely going to keep this on my vanity as a staple every day during my makeup application. I like this oil. I love my Palmers, but this was really good to try, and I love the way it makes my skin feel. My next item is the loose highlighter, which I have the shade Peach Fizz. This shade here. You guys can see it. It's like it looks almost like a rose gold shade. But this right here really was a shocker to me because I ordered all three of them in the past. My daughter actually took this one with her like maybe a year or so ago, so I never had an opportunity to use it. But I see why she took it because it is beautiful when you apply it. Because I was kind of hesitant about applying it to my face, but it worked really well as a highlighter. I took an actual eyeshadow fluffy brush and applied it, and you'll see in the try on of this video how I actually applied it. And I'm actually pleased with it. And I actually used it in my inner corner of my eye to give it a pop with this eyeshadow look today. And this was really impressive to me. And it says that it's a shimmering loose highlighter powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. The easy to blend formula has a soft, velvety texture that leaves you with a silky finish, like a loose powder version of Anastasia Glow Kits that's finely milled. Lightweight formula allows for buildable coverage as you can create everything from subtle luminosity to dramatic high reflect looks. Definitely you can do that with this product. And I have the other two still over in my stash. But like I said, my daughter took this one, so I'm glad to have this back in my collection. And this retails for $25. I like this. I could see myself using this a lot. Like I said, not only as a highlighter, but as an eyeshadow topper, in the corner highlights. It's like, it is a versatile product, which I enjoy using doing this video. Now the next item in my box is the brow definer, and I just had it in my hand. So what did I do with it? I am not sure. Oh, it fell down in the box. I'm sorry. Is the brow definer. Now this, I'm sorry, my allergies has got to go. This right here, I'm used to the pencil one because I've been using Morphe lately, and I love Anastasia. I've gone through like dozens of these. But this is my first time using one with this angled tip. I'm sorry. But this, oh, hang on guys, let me get some water. Hang on. I'm sorry, I didn't want to do all that. They're trying to get this allergy under control, but I do apologize. But again, this slanted brush, I'm not used to using this type style brush. I'm used to using the pencil, and like I said, I've gone through plenty Anastasia brushes, but I've pretty much replaced them with the Morphe brush because I love the Morphe brush. But this was actually pretty good today. When I started out, it was kind of like on the bulky side, which I'm not used to, but it did allow me to finish my application much faster than I would have with the pencil. So I'm definitely going to leave this out as well, especially in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work. This will allow me, like I said, half the time to finish filling in and tracing and, you know, and shaping however I want to do my brows. But this says that it's an all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define, detail, and fill in the eyebrows. Featuring 3 different size edges, this pencil delivers ultimate application versatility with ease, while the custom spoolie and blends for a natural looking finish. This retails for $23. Like I said, this is worth it. It is really worth cutting in time. But if you don't know how to use, and this here is all screwed up. I'm sorry, but this is longer than this, and it's really aggravating me. I'm sorry. But if you wanna, that's more like it. Here I am doing stuff I hit. Okay, but we're moving on. Now that's more like they kind of look even. It was an argument. I'm like, something's going on with these brows. They're not even today. They're supposed to be sisters, not twins, but they were not even sisters at the moment. But again, I like this for the time. The time it took me to do it, maybe like 5 minutes. So I definitely see myself pulling this back and leaving it on my vanity. The next thing I have in my box is this Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. And that explains why my face looks weird. It's a dewy spray, and it looks kind of on the moisture side. Not oily, but kind of like glowy, pretty much. I like this. I like this spray. I really do. I didn't know if it had shimmer in it because of the bottle, because I've never purchased this setting spray before, but I do like this setting spray. And it says that it is a coconut vanilla scent. That's why it smelled so good, because I couldn't figure out what the scent was. Setting spray that seamlessly blends products together as it sets makeup, leaving the complexion with a dewy, never oily, radiant finish. This gentle mist is ideal for those with dry skin or those who want to achieve the ultimate dewy glow. Glowy dew backwards. But I do like it though. I'm not a dewy girl, but I do like this. I think it's really nice. I think I believe, in my opinion, although I like a matte look, if I use enough matte products, this won't affect my matte look. But I think it'll give it a nice moisture to it, but it won't affect the actual matte look I'm going for. Like now, I like the matte look, but this gives it a glowy look, but not like that wet, dewy feel. Although it looks like it, it doesn't feel like it. So the last item in my box are some Norvina Falls lashes in Snazzy. Now, I have them on my eyes, so they're not in the box. But they are in the style Snazzy. I myself love fluffy, wispy, full lashes. But I do think with this eye look today, these are the perfect lashes. So you can actually see, you know, the eyeshadows, how they're placed on my eyes. You can actually see the look that I created with these lashes. I don't know what's going on with this one. I think when I started pressing it down, I started sticking it together with the glue. It's kind of like clustered on the end. Overall, they are nice. They're really, really light. I do like them. I think they're perfect for every day. But for me, I love, like I said, dramatic lashes. More fuller, wispy, crisscross lashes. But I do like them for this look. And these retails for $12. And it says they're a fanned out, fluffy, full strip lash with subtle intensity. False lashes by Anastasia are premium quality lashes that provide comfortable wear and deliver maximum impact. They're comfortable wear, yes. You can't even feel the lash. I don't feel the lash on my eyes at all. And I have a couple of Anastasia lashes. I have 2 more pairs to be exact. And I had 2 of all of her lashes. Now the Georgiana, I love those. Those are like more dramatic. But again, you can't feel them. So when they say comfortable, they are very comfortable lashes. And it says that these lightweight, high-quality lashes are easy to apply and adhere to the lash line in seconds. Add volume, length, and thickness to your lash look with ease, making mascara optional, no matter your style. These lashes remain undetectable, blending in with your natural lash line. Each set provides up to 20 wears. This particular pair, I don't know about the 20 wears unless you know how to clean them. But I will say maybe 2 or 3 because it's so light that when you pull it off, it may kind of ruffle up the strip. I'm not sure how to get 20 wears out of this particular style. But I do like the lash for every day. It's a nice lash. And again, this is like the perfect box for $35. You could not, if you were able to get it, you probably would love it. Like I said, my biggest thing was this piece and this oil. And it's upside down. The palette and the oil is what really drew me to the box. And hoping I get the 2 that I have, which was a plus for me because I actually received what I wanted to get. But the pencil, I love it. I loved everything in the box, to be honest with you. Like I said, the lashes was just on more of a natural side than I would prefer, but I still love them with this look. So if you guys want to see how I tried on everything in this box, how I used everything in this box, you know, how I performed, my application, and everything with this box, then continue watching this video and you'll see my full application. Not only with the try-ons, as I mentioned earlier, you'll see my full foundation routine included in this video as well. So if you have not done so already, I'm going to say the norm. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel and continue watching for my try-on. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.